Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that will blow your mind. In the left corner we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD, and in the right corner we have the Chensiv 3-channel 4K Dash Cam. It's time to buckle up and find out which one reigns supreme. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about video quality. Both of these dash cams claim to offer stunning visuals, but which one delivers the knockout punch? Let's move on to a crucial feature, night vision. We all know how important it is to capture clear footage in low light conditions. Which dash cam shines brighter? Now let's talk about installation. We all want a dash cam that's easy to set up and won't give us a headache. Which one takes the crown in this category? The DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD and the Chensiv 3-channel 4K Dash Cam have both received positive reviews overall. The DKK Dash Cam is praised for its video quality wide-angle lens, user-friendly interface, and reliability. On the other hand, the Chensiv Dash Cam is highly regarded for its high-quality performance, clear imaging, night vision capabilities, and easy installation. Both dash cams have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD and the Chensiv 3-channel 4K Dash Cam in 3 categories, and it's been an exhilarating ride. Remember, the best dash cam for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. So make sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more about these fantastic products. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful tips to make your shopping experience a breeze. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.